There we go. Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to another video on my automotive channel. Today I'm going to have an update on my cars, but before I get into that, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel to check out all the latest on my lovely 1970 Fiat 500, completely original. And yeah, that. I got some stickers to fit to Hugo, which are in this envelope, which is great for the Fiat 500 club. There'll be a link to their Facebook in the description, so check them out, especially if you've got Fiat 500. It's actually really nice to go on Facebook and just go on a page, there's, you know, a group that's done for Fiat 500's classics, and see what other people got and, you know, read their stories and everything. So I'm going to be fitting one of the stickers to the window on Hugo. Not sure what size yet, but he's coming out anyway. I'm going to use him today to go to the shops. I'm going to post some parcels, get some food. So yeah, and then I'll update you on other stuff with the cars. So yeah, let's just have a quick talk about the Z3. There he is, the only Fiji green one on YouTube, as far as I'm aware. If there's another, please do comment below. Not too much to be said about it. It's not gone the way it should have gone. If you've seen my video with the problems and everything, you get an idea what I'm talking about if you've watched our video. But yeah, currently trying to sort everything out. It's completely, yeah, it's not a good situation. But we're trying to get it sorted, and I will have news soon. As I get any news, I'll let you all know what's going on with it. Right, so I'm thinking about having one here on this window. At some point, I want to put my hashtag on the window in small writing. Well, small but big enough for someone to read it. So let's have a look. There's also a link in the description to the YouTuber who does the Fiat page and sent me these stickers. Check their channel out. That's not my dog barking. So that's our two choices. Originally I liked the red, but I really do like how the black looks. But we'll put the red one on. That's the one I wanted on there originally, and see how it looks. Make sure I get it straight as well. There we go. Make sure it's on there. Ah, sweet. I like it. It looks good. Let's do the other side. Right. There we go. That gives me room to put my hashtag across there when I come to it. There we go. One that side. One that side. And then what I'll probably do is put my hashtag across here like I did with the 911. But let's have an update on the interior. I've not done anything yet, but I did manage to break my handle off of the window. I was basically driving back from Hereford one day and I went to wind the window up because I got a bit cold and it just snapped. So yeah, that's a shame. I was planning on keeping these when I changed the door cards. If I can get a different kind of Fiat 500 one, like these are going to be chrome. But yeah, that's a shame. It broke off. I literally had it in my hand. I was like, oh, okay, so put it straight in there. But yeah, we'll get that sorted. I'm actually got to use Hugo a bit today just to take into the shops and everything. But yeah, everything's great. What do the stickers look like from... There you go. Thank you, I do like them. They are really cool. Hugo's fell over. He needs sticking down properly, but again, the seats are being taken out when we do the interior, so won't do that just yet. But yeah, the very basic interior of a 1970 Fiat 500. There's the Z3. As gorgeous as it is, It's a beautiful car, stunning. I love it. It's just everything that's come with it, unfortunately. But yeah, there we go. Oh no, it's not here. We got the Renault Captur. I want to do a video on this very soon. Well, in the summer, I'm going to be doing a complete review on it, which would be great. But a lot of you want to see the Fiat Pop, and I do have an update on the Fiat Pop very soon. Also, I think I said in the last video, when my fuel gauge wasn't working, it was just a blown fuse. So we got that sorted. That's all good. It literally took 5 minutes. Also, we keep having a lot of dust around. It's something to do with storms in the Sahara Desert, I'm told. So Hugo's actually really dusty inside. Same goes for the Z3 and the Captur and the Pop, even though the Pop's done the car park at the moment. We done the trim around this last time. There you go, that's all good, all works. When I do the interior, obviously I'm going to keep the original clock and that. Some replace it with the older dial and everything, but I don't want to do that. I do prefer having this on a 1970. If I ever get another 500, I will do the older style clock, definitely. And I am looking at getting another at some point. But yeah, I might change the switches. I want to get rid of the button now to start it, to pull it back down to the little levers down there. And also, not the original gear stick. I didn't put this on. This was something original with the car, so the original person had done to it, so I need to change that as well at some point. But other than that, nothing else has changed. Now I am going to start the interior very soon, so if you want to see me completely stripping the car inside, then I will be doing that for the new interior. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Please do subscribe if you want to see me completely redo the interior in the Fiat 500. Okay, that's going to be it for this video. Just a small video putting the stickers on Hugo. Thank you so much. You know who you are. There'll be a link to your channel in the description and the Facebook page. You can check them out. Really cool page. You can check other people's classic Fiat 500s out. Really cool stuff. I'll update you all on the Z3, but like I said, it's a bit of a sore subject at the moment, but I'll get that sorted hopefully. And then future cars, there's other stuff planned. Like I said, I got some short films planned with Hugo this summer, which is going to be really cool. I'm going to spend a couple of days doing short films, filming and everything like that. Really looking forward to that. It's going to be really cool. Some stuff we wrote down and planned is quite fun. I'll be doing a review of the Renault Captur, the 2016 Renault Captur. And obviously there's an update coming on a Fiat Pop as well, with the Abarth body kit and that. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.